This is a coconut octopus. At 18 months old, she's already halfway through her short life. Like all octopuses, her mother died after she was born. She's been alone her whole life. Every single thing she's learned about the world, she's taught herself. And with astonishing speed. Most importantly, how to hunt. As she crushes her crab, with her powerful bird-like beak, the succulent scent of her meal attracts attention. She could lose her dinner. Or her life. There's nowhere to hide. But even in her short life, she's learned how to make a run for it. Clasping the crab in two arms, she uses the others like feet. It's called stilt walking. But she can't run forever. It's time to take cover. And she's not called a coconut octopus for nothing. She uses her propulsive siphon like a leaf blower to blast away sand clogging the shell. Using an object to solve a problem is known by scientists as tool use. Just 0.1% of animals are thought to use tools. Making a hideout earns her a place in this exclusive club.